Question number 4 of practice set 1.1. See here, equation number 4, they are given some points A, B, C, such that distance between point A and C is 10 units, distance between point C and B is 8 units, and we have to find distance between A and B considering all possibilities. Let's see, there are two possibilities. First possibility is that if we take these 3 points, one point is come between another 2 points. So let's take first point C. If point C lies between points A and B. See here, if we draw a number line and let mention this point here as if point A is here and C point we have to take in between of point B. Let's see here, distance between point A and C is 10 units. First write this here, 10 units, and distance between point C and B is 8 units. So this is 8 units. Now you can see, if we take point C in between point A and B, there is a sum of distance of AC and distance of C. So right here, if we take point C lies between points A and B, the distance of a point A and B is equal to sum of these two distances. So write here that distance of point A and C plus distance of a point C and B, where distance of AC is 10 units, where distance of CB is 8. So write here 80. Hence, by first possibility, distance of a point between A and B is 18 units. Consider now second possibilities. If we take of a point A, B, C, if we take point B is lie in between point A and C, let's see what happened. If we take point A is here, point B is here in between C. Let's see here, that is point AC is here given that distance of a point AC is 10 units. That means if we take this distance between A and C is 10 units, whereas distance between point C and B is 8 units. That means this distance between point B and C. Then we can easily calculate the distance between point A and B by subtracting distance of AC, distance of BC, from distance of AC to distance BC. So right here, second possibility is that if we take point B lies between point A and C. So distance between point A and B we can easily calculate it by subtracting distance between BC from distance between AC. So right here, distance of AC minus distance of point BC. So distance of between point A and C is 10 units, whereas distance between point B and C is 8 units, and the answer is 10 minus 8, it is 2 units. So by the second possibilities, distance between point A